Welcome to Blue Water Travel's 50 Amazing Adventures. In our fourth episode, we travel to the Sea of Cortez, situated between Mexico's mainland and the Baja California Peninsula. Did you know that Jacques Cousteau dubbed this UNESCO World Heritage Site as the Aquarium of the World? Well, it certainly didn't disappoint. On this liveaboard trip, we went out for 3 dives a day, spending most of our time playing with sea lions, otherwise known as the puppies of the ocean. How cute are they? But the Sea of Cortez is incredibly diverse, from nudibranchs to whale sharks, from blennies to turtles, from scorpionfish, pufferfish, and jawfish to spotting sperm whales. Each dive and each day holds something new and something exciting. It truly boasts a unique blend of temperate and tropical waters, nurturing one of the most biologically diverse marine ecosystems on this planet. It's never easy having an expedition come to an end, but we know with this destination it can never be a goodbye, only a see you later. If you'd like to search for the elusive single blenny and swim with sea lions, check out the caption below. And stay tuned for our next adventure, where we promise more breathtaking moments that will leave you yearning to dive in.